Okay students, now we are going to solve practice set 4.1. In this we are going to see the construction of similar triangles. Now here there are two types of constructions. That is, first one, if we see that triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. If you observe the vertices here, so the vertices of these both the triangles are totally different. Here ABC and here LMN. And in the second construction, if you see triangle PQR is similar to triangle LTR. So here R is the common vertex. R is the common vertex. So here we are going to see the first construction. So in the first construction, in triangle ABC, AB is 5.5 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, and CA is 4.5 centimeter. And the ratio of the corresponding side, that is BC upon MN, is equal to 5 upon 4. So this ratio is common to all the corresponding sides. So therefore we'll start solving now. Here triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. Therefore now we will write the ratio of corresponding side, that is AB upon LM. AB upon LM is equal to BC upon MN. BC upon MN is equal to AC upon LN is equal to this 5 upon 4. Once again see, AB upon LM, BC upon MN, and AC upon LN. So these are the ratio of corresponding sides. Now if you see that in triangle ABC the length of the sides are given. So what is AB here? 5.5 centimeter upon LM we will write as it is. BC is 6 upon MN, and AC, that is CA means AC, is 4.5 centimeter upon LN is equal to 5 upon 4. Now as we know the sides of triangle ABC, from these sides we will find the sides of triangle LMN. How? That also we will see. Now we have to separate these ratios with 5 upon 4. So therefore 5.5 upon LM is equal to, we'll take 5 upon 4. This is the first one. Then second, again we will separate here. 6 upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4. And the third one, that is 4.5 upon LN is equal to 5 upon 4. Just what we did, 5.5 upon LM is equal to 5 upon 4. It's the first ratio. Okay, 6 upon M is equal to 5 upon 4. Second and third one, that is 4.5 upon Ln is equal to again 5 upon 4. Now we will take here cross multiplication. Before that I will just draw one line here so that we can easily solve it. Now we will take the cross multiplication. 5.5 into 4 is equal to 5 into LM. Therefore just see, 5.5 into 4 upon, if you take this 5 this side, it will come to the denominator. So LM is equal to 5.5 into 4 upon 5. So 5 ones are 5. Here also 5 ones are 5.5 ones are 5. So if you remove the point, we will get here 11. 11 fours are 44. Therefore we can say LM is equal to 44, means here one decimal point is there. So what is LN? LN is here 4. Now we will take the second one, 6 into 4. Now this mn will go here and 5 will come to the denominator. That is mn is equal to 6 into 4 upon 5. So 6 4s are 24 upon 5. So if we divide this 24 by 5, mn is equal to what we'll get here? 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 24 remains. If we take 1 0 means it will become 40 and we have to give here point. So 5 8s are 40. So 4.8 centimeter. So you can divide this separately. Now next one, again 4.5 into 4 upon this 5 will come here to the denominator of this, and this ln will go upside, that is on RHS side. So again here 5 1s are 5 and 5 minutes are 9s are 45. 9s are 45 means here what will get? 0.9. So 0.9 means again 9 4s are 36 and here decimal point is there, so we'll give that decimal point. So ln is equal to 3.6. So now we know the sides of triangle ABC as well as we know the sides of triangle LMN. Okay, now we are going to construct the first triangle, that is triangle ABC. AB, now here which is the greater side? BC. So I will take BC 6 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter. Then the side AB is 5.5 centimeter. So with the help of scale I'll take a measure of 5.5 centimeter. So I know the point B, so I'll keep the round point B and I'll take a, okay, after taking this 5.5 centimeter, now the next side is CA, that is 4.5 centimeter. So let me take a distance of 4.5 centimeter. CA means from C I will take. So these both arcs will intersect and now join. So this is your point A, AB and AC. AB is 5.5 centimeter and AC is 4.5 centimeter. Now similarly we are going to draw the triangle LMN. So here which is the biggest side? MN is the biggest side. So we will take it as an base. MN is 4.8. So this is 4.8. MN 4.8 centimeter. Now which side is corresponds to here? AB. LM is corresponds to AB. So we'll take this length, that is 4.4. and we'll draw one arc. Now which side is remain? That is ln. ln is 3.6. So just see, this is exactly 3.6. So ln means from n we will take. So this is your point L. Now join LM and LN. Okay. So 4.4 centimeter and this is 3.6 centimeter. Now when there are different vertices, you will get the two different triangles. So this is the first construction.